There's herbs in every plants here. It's really good park, and you'll see this in our video, and you're gonna love it. I know, right? The view and everything is so good. Mashallah, I love it. Very good park.
बैठ उठ के पैर ऊपर रखो
ये अल्लाह
बैठ जाओ बैठ जाओ किधर बैठ जाओ किधर बैठा नहीं पैर
अरे रुक जाओ
क्या कर रहे हो
क्या हुआ हैं ये देखो पापा देखो
That tunnel is full around of the park. This is full air conditioned. These all grill are air conditions. Will start 8 o'clock morning till night 11 o'clock. So you can come and enjoy air conditioning here also in open place. Very nice.
Make a video.
दानी को छोड़ दे रहे बार बार.
Dani, help them. Very nice. Whee! Yeah, go yourself, Afia. That's a good. Oh. Yes, do it, jump. Do it, jump. Abdullah is climbing. Wow. Do exercise. Good. Good. Good, Abdullah. Slide. Nice.
Back to our channel, and today we are here in a park, and it's super duper good. And here they have a park there and area for exercising. And here's my father exercising. He's exercising. He is exercising in the.
Exercise. Very nice. What is this?
For the hand, I guess so.
Yes, move fast. It's Yes, who will? Yeah, go, move fast, move fast, guys. Go the other side. Come on, Abdullah, fast, wow. Move from here, Abdullah, not from there. Here, good, move. Dani is the first? Oh! Abdullah is the first. Abdullah, she did not do proper. Abdullah is doing full proper. Go, Abdullah.
I did like this.
Yeah. चलो काले जाएंगे ज़्यादा यहाँ teeny tiny, very smart, not like Laiba.
I visited this park and it's really good. I love it. The view and the weather is also good. It's right now 7 and in 8 a.m. it's gonna start the ventilation right here and the air come out. It's so good. Like it's like the first ventilation park and that's really good. I love the view. It's super duper nice. And the upper they even planted trees. That's really cool and nice. I love the view here. It's super duper good. You should also come and visit this park, Alwakra Park. Alwakra? Wait a minute. Yeah, it's a very good park. You should come and visit it. It's really good, and it's right now a little bit windy, and that's really good because in summer, windy is really good. And I loved it, and I'm like red jumpy, and that's it for our video. Thank you all for seeing our video. Thank you. Welcome back to our channel, and today we have visited this park. As you will see in our video, we will show you the whole park, and it's really good, and it has ventilations, trees, and there are climbers also. Let me show you the beautiful climbers and a beautiful view if we go from here. And if we go from there, it's really good. And the ventilation comes from here at the 8 a.m. it will start. So it's right now 7 because we started at Fajr and we came here at Fajr. So it's right now 7. So at 8 a.m. it's gonna start. So yeah, you should also visit it. There's herbs in every plant here. It's really good park. And you will see this in our video, and you're gonna love it. I know, right? The view and everything is so good. Mashallah, I love it. Very good park. Guys, we're going off the park. Thank you all.